green eye look with just 4 simple steps. Step 1. Apply light brown eyeshadow on the whole eye. Blend it well. Step 2. Apply the dark brown eyeshadow. Blend well, so there would be no harsh lines. Step 3. Apply black eyeshadow. Make sure to blend them all well. Step 2. Take green eyeshadow and apply it using finger. For the under eyes, I use the same dark brown eyeshadow. Final look, she's pretty.
Subscribe now for more updates.